Hey guys, welcome to the channel. See all of you in there. Surprise, surprise. Welcome to the channel. Probably the last person you would expect to do a video considering how socially anxious I am. Okay, today we are proving that triangle ABD is congruent with triangle CDE. To do this, first we will start off with the given information. So, let's start. Side AB is congruent with side CD. Now, the reason we know this, given. So, now what we do is we make the marking here and here, because these two are congruent. Now, our next piece of information is that, once again, sides A, B, and CD are now also parallel. So, we write down A, B is, now, oh my, I was almost about it right, congruent again. Don't worry about that, guys. I'm a little slow right now, kind of tired. Not gonna lie, did a lot today. Okay, so side AB parallel with side CD, cranking out given information. That's our second piece of given information. So now D is the midpoint of side BE. Now what we do for that is D, in this fancy little two-line midpoint symbol. D is the midpoint of side BE. Get that little segment symbol in there, and that's also given. Now, what we do for these two is a bit different. So, what you do to do the little parallel sign is you add triangles, little colored in triangles on the lines that are parallel. And then, what you do next, after that, is for the midpoint, there's no midpoint symbol, I suppose, or at least from what I remember. So what we're going to do is add two lines on these two segments, because if D is the midpoint of BE, then that means that side BD is congruent with side DE. The reason we know this, I'm going to say equality logic, because if you couldn't assume that because D was the midpoint of BE, that these two were equivalent, because if this is the middle, then these two, then it was cut in half, and you know, that means these two are equivalent. If you couldn't see that, then I don't know what to tell you. So, equality logic. It's just logical to assume that. Now, next, what we do is, because A, B, and C, D are both parallel and congruent, meaning they're the same, then, and D and BD and DE are also the same, then that means that angle ABD is congruent with angle CDE because of corresponding angles. Oh my gosh, I just misspelled angles. Just figured out I'm dyslexic too, guys. How wonderful. Anyway, now that we have all this information, we can now determine, hold on, almost forgot to add little angle signs here. Whoops. Now we can determine that triangle ABD is congruent with triangle CDE because of the side angle side rule. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, proving triangles are congruent to each other. Probably didn't enjoy it all that much, but, because it's geometry. Come on now, nobody wants to do geometry. I am just kidding. I don't want Miss Daly coming after me. So, geometry actually is very fun class. Easy, fun. Got friends in there that I can sit with sometimes. Just kind of dislike how we change seats all the time. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video of us proving A, B, D, and C, D, E were congruent. Well, signing off now, I guess. Got really nothing else to say besides, well, have an amazing day. Hope you guys, are doing well in school. Pay attention to this, because if you're in geometry, you should probably learn how to prove that triangles are congruent. Alright, see you guys.